Hello, so now I want to show you how to make the walls for your marble run. So let's say you want your marble run to kind of be wavy or curved and make a curve around a corner. I'm going to show you how to do that with our paper sculpture technique tabs. So what you're going to do is get a skinny strip of paper, the color that you want. I chose a different paper than my base so that you could easily see this attached to my base. So you're going to take your strip and you're going to fold it in half long ways. So you're going to take the bottom and bring it up to meet the top edge. And you're going to fold this in half all the way down the center of the strip. All right, and then before you're finished, you're going to crease it. So press down hard with your finger, make a nice crisp line. Now you're going to open this back up. I have students that forget to do this step here, opening the strip back up. So now your strip has two halves. You have one half on this side of the crease, one half on that side. On one half of the crease, you're going to cut slits from the edge of the strip to that center crease. So I've just cut right here from the edge to the center. So I'm going to go down and I'm going to cut. Now, the closer that you cut these slits together, the bendier your strip will be. The further apart you cut the strips, the less bendy it will be. So I want a nice smooth curve. So I'm going to cut these closer together. If I were to cut one here and then one way down here, then it wouldn't be a curve. It would be more slant and diagonal-ish and less curvy. You can see my strips already wanting to curve because I've cut these slits. Now these slits, these tabs that I'm cutting, they are going to be on the outside of the wall. They will not go on the inside where your marble will touch. They go on the outside. Now the great thing about a long strip like this is I don't have to use it all, but I've got it cut. And so I can cut this strip into pieces to make shorter walls, and it's already ready to go. So you can see now this strip will bend and curve any way I want it to go, and that's wonderful. So I'm going to say I want my wall to go here. I want it to go around like an S. All right, in order to do that, I put the slits on the outside. So this is the outside, and so my marble is going here. My marble is going here. It's not going where these bumps and these slits are. These are the outside of the wall. This is the inside where the marble will go. So I'm going to take and put a line of glue where I want the wall to be. And then I'm going to take my strip and I'm going to set it right down on top of this glue. And I'm going to make my wall bend and curve with this S, like this. Look how beautiful that is. So curvy. All right, so that's just one half. Now I need to make the other half, or the other side of the channel, for my marble to be in. So I get another strip and I fold it in half long ways. Open it back up. Don't forget to open it. And then I'm cutting one half with slits. I'm not cutting past that center crease. I'm not cutting to the other side. Okay, and so remember, These tabs are the outside of the wall. So I won't put this wall down like this with the tabs, and the same as this. I turn it and put the tabs on the outside. So the tabs go around the outside. So what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna take my glue. I should know how wide my marble is, and I'm gonna put a glue line parallel running right next to that wall, but leaving space between so that my marble can get through. And then I lay my wall down with the tabs on the outside. Now I don't want this space, this channel, the gap between the walls, I don't want to get that too skinny to where the marble won't fit through. So I need to make sure I leave enough space between here for the marbles to get through. I think right here that's too skinny, so I'm gonna, while the glue is wet, I can move it away from that first wall. And that should be wide enough. And so now my marble will go here through. It doesn't go on top and go bump, bump, bump over the top of these tabs. So this is where the marble goes. And that's how you create the walls to your marble run.